Initially, I was a little bit concerned because I had too many slides. But after I saw everybody like paying so much attention, like I was pretty confident. And like seeing people nodding their heads and like taking pictures of the slides, like it really felt like it was super useful. So it was definitely fulfilling.
I already know these people, but I never saw them like in real life. It's like internet friends, and finally coming all together and seeing each other in real life and being able to touch the people, like it's amazing. It's a very nice feeling.
Very focused on the talks. I had been in conferences before where like this area would be full of people talking, and for the speaker it's really hard to focus because there's like other people saying things and you don't know what is happening. But like on this event everybody was paying attention, like full time, you know, I didn't see anybody yawning. So that was super reassuring that the talk was actually great.
It's great to be a sponsor. The community is great. I love App.js, I love Soft to Mention.
Oh, the people is the best way of this conference. Yes, definitely, yes. I love it. Like, I've been talking to so many people, like meeting the faces of Twitter handles and, you know, those avatars. It's been really good, and like, you know, leaving the talk and having people asking questions right after, like being so interested, means that the content was actually good. So yeah, the people is the best part of this conference.